The next tier up for us today are the high-end professional grade drones. Generally, compared to the mid-range drones, these are just going to be the next step up in every way. They're gonna fly further, fly higher, fly faster, and have a lot better photo capabilities overall. Today here we have our best of the best pick for our drones, and that is the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. One of the things that we really like about this drone that sort of sets it one step above the rest is its stabilization. It is an incredibly stable machine. No matter how windy the environment, this thing is going to be able to keep that nice, crisp, still image for you. These are the drones that you're gonna use if you need a dedicated aerial filmmaking device.